There's Cookie with his shirt on. Hello, Cookie Dough. Hello. Put him down, let him walk around with his shirt on. He says, I don't like the shirt. And there comes Shadow to get him. Move Shadow so I can see his shirt. Dude! Hello, dude! Put him down for a minute. He does not like the hat. Look at that. There goes the hat. There goes the hat.
Oh, get out of here, man.
Get him out of there. Shadow!